Ladies, please stay here to help me welcome our newest SIA president, Margaret Poco Davis. You know, Poco has been a member of Soroptimist International of Metropolitan Las Vegas and the Sierra Nevada region since 1982. She's held several leadership positions in her club and region, including region governor, club president, and club vice president. She served as SIA president-elect last year, assisting me in overseeing strategic planning and development in the organization in an effort to help Soroptimist increase the overall collective impact it has on women and girls around the world. Outside of Soroptimist, she's a drug and alcohol counselor in Las Vegas. I can't tell you how much I've enjoyed working with Poco immensely, and I can tell you, she certainly has the energy, tenacity, and patience to really succeed as president. Now, Soroptimist, please give a warm welcome, and I mean a really incredible warm welcome and long welcome, because I have to present her with a presidential pin, to your 2014-15 SIA President, Poco Davis.
Thank you. Thank you very much. President Ann, President Sherry, okay, over there, SIA, President Raquel, SIA board, Soroptimists, and guests. I'm very excited to embark on the path that past President Raquel and President Sherry have journeyed. I'd kind of like to take a moment at this point, but it's going to be a real short moment because I'm not going to go into it. I just want to tell President Sherry, and she can't hear me, and that's okay. We'll do it later. That's fine. But I would like to say a couple of words about a certain person in my life that's been a mentor. I have a lot of mentors in my life, but one showed up last night to surprise me, and it was the best surprise I've had of my life. Thank you, Joyce, and thank you all my mentors. You know who you are. Back. If you build it, they will come. It is the theme of the dreamer, the visionary, the Soroptimist. We built an organization dedicated to women and girls, and members came. You came. In 32 years, I have spoken to a lot of members, but more in the last few months than ever before. I hear and see excited, passionate women proclaiming what a fantastic organization we have in Soroptimist, and yet we're still unknown in many communities and nations. Why? I think it is because we are so focused on solving problems that we forget about the power of synergy, the power that comes when you unite one voice into a choir, and as each voice is added, the choir becomes stronger, harder to ignore or hide. We talk with friends and acquaintances about what we do, but do we ask them to come along and experience it for themselves? Are we communicating our passion in a bold and beautiful way? Think about it. What is more effective? Describing what songs the choir sang, or playing a tape of the concert so that others have the opportunity to hear those glorious voices uplifted in harmony? Ask them to be a part of the organization. Take them to the events. Let them see the stories of the women and girls we support. Show the wonder that comes from improving the lives of women and girls locally and throughout the world. Tell them, too, about the opportunities for personal growth, leadership, and lifetime friendships. It's as simple as talking about how Soroptimist has changed your life. 32 years ago, God, I'm old, my family and friends, and yes, even me, would never have thought I'd be where I'm standing today. And yet, here I am. And all that I am today is because I'm a Soroptimist. Yeah. Let that passion come through and ignite the drive for new members. Make the word Soroptimist spread like a wildfire. It is up to us as Soroptimists to fan that fire. Through teamwork and communication, we exude energy. We create sparks to excite women and expand our organization. We build synergy by getting the word out. We let others see our passion, dreams, and visions. My job as president of Soroptimist International of the Americas, excuse me, I'm getting very passionate here and it's going crazy, is to make those dreams and visions, the members' dreams and visions, visible. But only you, the members, can make them come true. Anne Frank wrote, "How lovely to think that no one need wait a moment. We can start now, start slowly, changing the world." Let's not wait a moment. Let's start now. I challenge each of you to do one thing this year. Give one person the gift of Soroptimist. Bring one person into the choir. Add one voice. And soon you will hear a mighty song, a Soroptimist song, a song about a world where women and girls are not kidnapped for political purposes. A song of strength and sisterhood. A song that cannot be ignored. I believe that our organization is indeed from the bottom up. You, the members, are the front runners, and we deserve to make your journey exciting. You, the members, allow us to move forward. My job, the board's job, the staff's job is to listen to you and to make your journey easier. The member and the club materials available at headquarters are like your sheet music for your song. The basic materials or notes you need to sing your song. Take those notes and arrange them to suit your needs. We are a team, and we work together to empower women and girls through education and advanced economic status and independence. Thus, we offer more than just financial assistance. We offer passion, empathy, understanding. Through our recent town calls and communications from and to the Fundraising Council, club presidents, governors, and governors-elect, we will continue to distribute the information and tools you need to form your choir and sing your songs. Through collective impact, demonstrating what you do as what Federation does, and we show the world and prospective members the true power and reach of a Soroptimist. The results: more awards were given this year than ever before. You embraced club giving and Live Your Dream. And now through Live Your Dream Education and Training Award for Women, you are forging new dreams for others. I may giggle, I may make, but you know, it is Live Your Dream. I believe that we, as a team, and those that aren't here tonight, all of us are 33,000 members, something like that, can unlock the secret that is Soroptimist and blow everyone out of the water. It is our time. We have the synergy to make Soroptimist a household household word, not the best kept secret. Join with us. Let that choir of Soroptimists raise a thunderous voice. Soroptimists are we. Thank you for this opportunity to serve as your president. All of you. It's about you. I'm incredibly fortunate to be joined this year by a team of dedicated individuals who will be helping to lead the Soroptimist Choir and supporting us along the way. That team includes the 2014-2016 region governors and the Fundraising Council, whom you already met, as well as our hard-working headquarters staff. I'm going off script for 1 second here. I know I'm going to piss you off, but it's okay. Okay. We all talk about these 27 staff people. We go, why do we have them? I want you to know why we have them. We can't function without them. I don't know, and I'm sorry, I don't know if any of you noticed how many of the staff put on workshops today and yesterday and so forth and so on, and are going to continue to do it. How many of the staff were sitting in those little booths registering you and doing that kind of stuff? How many staff have been behind this curtain and getting us moving and doing what we're supposed to do, and right now cursing me because I went off because the timing is off, okay? We need them. We love them. They do more than any of us could possibly imagine. So anytime that you're in Philadelphia, or anytime you have a problem and you get you call and you get it solved, send them a thanks, because they're awesome. They're awesome. Okay, I'll go back on script. I'm sorry, but you guys rock. Go on? Okay. Yeah, I can go on. You know, Lori is program, right? She does all that program stuff, and she does, and you get it, and go on. What's she been doing all weekend? Telling us to get behind the curtain and do what she's told on a certain word. What does Jill do? She's the assistant to Liz, Executive Director Liz. Every time you call, you have a question, what do? You call Jill. What's Jill been doing? The same thing. Making sure that Lori knows what she's doing and they know what they're doing so that we come up and do what we're supposed to do. That's not their job. But you know what? They're really good at it, and they're a lot of fun back there. So when someone comes up to you and says, what do? You have my permission to say that they order around Federation presidents and they move them and they do this and they give them this and they give them water, and we need them. Because do you know a Federation president that could last without water? Not happening. Okay, back to the script, sorry. Love you. There's one more important part of the team, and that is the Federation Board. It's now my privilege to introduce the amazing women serving on the 2014-2015 Board of Directors. And I am going to apologize for any kind of wrong saying of your name ahead of time, because I'm really bad at that. So I please welcome Beverly Burker from Lansing, Illinois. Marianela de Casero, Apartado, Panama. Yoko, it's Oita, Japan. Mission Kim, Seoul, Korea. By the time I'm done, I'll know these really well. Riko Minami from Japan. Paloma Papa, Philippines. Wanda Price, Philadelphia. Rosemary Reed, Petersburg, Canada. Sue Riney, Oak Harbor, Washington. Donna Runka, Corona, California. Michiko Tanabe, Tokyo, Japan. Fundraising Council Chair, Tamara Sipes, Oak Harbor, Washington. Secretary Treasurer, Rosemary Reed. From Petersburg, Canada. President-elect Sam Buchanan. Marisa Soares de Azevedo from, hey, I'm Canada and I'm now American, and it's really not good. Combination. Brazil will also be a part of the 2014-2015 board, but she was not able to join us at this point, so I'm looking forward to working with you, and I know that together, as a team, we will help shape the Soroptimist future and raise awareness of the life-changing work of Soroptimist International of the Americas. I would also like to ask Executive Director Liz to join me and the rest of the board on stage, as she is an incredible, integral part of this team. I believe past President Raquel has a few words she would like to share.
Ladies, let's officially welcome our 2014-2015 Federation Leadership Team. We are so fortunate to have such a talented group of women